Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Your Geo SIM must be 5G enabled and activated, and your phone must support 5G bands. Once done, insert the SIM, enable mobile data, and open network settings. Make sure network mode is set to 5G/4G/3G automatic so the device can pick 5G. If there's a carrier settings update, accept it and reboot. This ensures the radio and provisioning are ready before you attempt to register on Geo's 5G cells. Next, you focus on registration. Open APN settings and confirm GeoNet, or Geo provided, is active so the device can authenticate. Then set preferred network to 5G/NR or 5G/4G automatic. This instructs the modem to seek NR cells. Use My Geo to confirm your plan includes 5G provisioning. If not, request activation. If signal seems weak, move to a clear window or outdoors to detect 5G cells. Make sure firmware and carrier profiles remain current so the phone negotiates correctly. Finally, confirm connection by spotting the 5G icon and running a speed test. Higher Mbps validates NR attachment. If you don't see 5G, toggle airplane mode, reboot, or reinsert the SIM to force re-registration. You can also reset network settings to clear misconfigurations. If problems persist, note your IMEI and SIM ID, check My Geo for provisioning status, and contact Geo support. They can confirm tower provisioning or re-provision your SIM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.